Oh.
Oh no, that's gonna be really loud. I love this, but I hate it at the same time because it's really loud.
Whoa, indeed.
Imagine we got one of these, bro. I'd probably drop dead on the ground. Too much loud noises. I'm really scared and I probably passed.
There was red like Alistair.
I want a blue one. Or a pink one.
Red, 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 yellow, blue. Red, 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 yellow. Cherry bomb is the pink.
It's cold, but it's also giving me friedness. I don't have a
There, the blue was in that.
Did Boss make a firework?
Oh, wow, that is so cool.
It is cool, but it's also giving me photosynthesis stuff.
Photosynthesis is where plants grow by using sunlight. You don't have photosynthesis.
Stop your fear, Abby.
Photosensitive. Something phobia. Just say firework phobia.
I don't have firework phobia. I have
Explosive phobia.
fear loud noises is what it is. So if you ever see me wince really loud, really bad, because I heard a really loud noise and I winced with them.
You enjoying this program?
I love it, but it hurts so bad.
My eyes are wet.
There's pink.
Yellow.
Oh, wait, there's white. Why can't you?
I'm eyes. Again, there's red like Alistair.
It's red, white, and blue because
Pink. Red.
USA.
Pink. There's pink in it.
Hey. Brandon, come here.
Red. Just like mine. Purple.
Did that just make a spider shape?
Purple. Yellow. Yellow. Green.
Who's green?
Yeah, there's fireworks and green.
Some of the imps in Hellevis have green on them.
There's rainbows. Green.
Did you just say ace?
Green.
Red.
Orange and red.
And yellow.
I'd say the yellow is like Lucifer or Charlie's color.
Red and yellow.
Charlie's color is like,
Red. Her color is red too. Look at her tattoo.
no, hers is like rainbow. Remember, Amelia? How she always drew rainbows? That must be her favorite. So the rainbow ones are Charlie. As much as I hate to say it, the very light blue ones are Valentino.
No, they're box.
The dark blue ones are Vox. I will post this on YouTube.
And send it to my friend. Be like, hey.
I'll post it on TikTok too. Woman, this is gonna make an entire video. Woo! That one was Vox.
I'm legit horse right now.
Y'all, happy 4th of July.
I'm gonna tag it in all my friends on TikTok and be like, hey, bet you didn't get to do this. So if some of them say, yes, I did, I'd be like, no, I'd be like, you live in my area?
Amelia, green can be Sir Pinches.
Yes. That one's good.
Mom, I see. Mom, just record it for now and post it on your Facebook. Mom, I don't mean to be I don't mean to take taking your spotlight, but she. You know what I should do? I should tag it #HasBeenHotel and happy 4th of July. Cause there's so many red.
Abby, you should do this. That out. That is really cool. I wish we would have got some of these.
Please go.
Where'd Roro go?
Bro?
Oh, she's over there. Hey Mom, if you check my YouTube channel, this will be there.
Yeah, if you check mine, it'll also be there.
I know Dad will check our YouTube and TikTok just to look, just to watch our stuff. Oh, that was in the shape of a heart.
Look, I got a sniper now.
This video about 8 minutes now.
Mine's 8:09.
Mine's 8:12.
Mine's going up too.
You can watch me.
On my TikTok and YouTube, I'm gonna have to put recording flash or a loud music.
Me too.
Going everywhere.
Maybe there's a ton of Lucifer.
That is.
Oh, red cloud.
Oh, red.
Oh, that was cool.
Normally when you go live, he wants to be quiet.
That is cool.
This is louder than we are.
That one was the real.
That's why when mine gets to 15, that's why when mine gets to 15:01, I'm gonna turn the camera around in selfie mode and say Happy 4th, y'all.
It's fire.
Hey.
Again, I'm gonna put recording flash or loud music on my video.
Everyone does. That was orange.
Probably be careful. It's hard.
Husker. Orange represents Husker. You know how he's always that little lonely guy who's like, yes. If they were white, I'd say Husk. Whoa!
Happy 4th of July!
For real?
For real?
Boom!
I love how we all have our phones out.
Oh my gosh! Yes! Woo!
Yacht Queen! but it's going real wrong.
This is the basement, and you can't find us in here.
Woo! There's more orange now. There's more husk. Someone's car alarm was going off.
Broken somebody else's car. The way of the world. Abby, you're in the way.
No, I'm in this.
Look, y'all. Wow. I've never seen this before. This is so cool. There was more orange, Amelia. Oh, there was white. White. Charlie. Literally. Woo! What did you like, baby? I'm recording a YouTube video. Shut up. I'm joking. That is so cool. Happy 4th of July! Why are you ready?